Hi, my name's Mike. I'm one of the owners of Benito's, the home of real Mexican food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make burritos with beef barbacoa. So to make your beef burrito, you have rice, your black beans with avocado leaf powder, your slow cooked beef, your lettuce, pico that you made earlier, jack cheese, your gorgeous guacamole that you made earlier, some sour cream, and some salsa brava, which is the spicier of the two salsas that you'll have in your box, and then jalapenos if you really like a punch. So take your rice down the middle of your tortilla, add your black beans, then your beef, your lettuce, the pico de gallo, then your jack cheese, then your gorgeous guac, your fiery salsa brava, some sour cream, and then optional jalapenos. Now, fold up the sides, squeeze together, roll over the top, and just roll it up nice and tight, pop it on a plate, and serve with a handful of tortilla chips, and there you have braised beef barbacoa burrito.